Your last film was a huge success for you, and post that, I think a lot of us from the media, was a time when we wanted to interact with you, but it seems like a closure from your side, where we couldn't get in touch with you. There was a time where you were very open to the media, but then it just changed after the success of your last film, Sonu Ki Sweetie. So what changed in you that made you want to have that closure and not have that connect anymore? There was a lot of times that I'm quite sure a lot of my other media friends as well must have tried to connect with you. But there was this time that you just had a kind of a boundary as such. So why
मैं वो बाउंड्री मैंने इसलिए भी की थी कि कई बार इतनी न्यूज़ आ रही थी, इतनी ज़्यादा न्यूज़ आ रही थी कि मेरे को लग रहा था कि बाउंड्री कुछ तो रखूं। उसके लिए मैं कम करता था, लेकिन फिर भी मेरा बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब जितना मेरे को लगता है उससे ज़्यादा न्यूज़ आ रही थी। सो दैट्स द रीज़न कि मैं थोड़ा सा क्लोजर में चला गया था कि मैं इतने इंटरव्यूज़ नहीं कर रहा था या मैं इतना नहीं मिल रहा था। हैविंग सेड दैट, स्टिल मतलब मैं मीडिया से जब भी इंटरेक्ट करता हूँ, आपने देखा है जैसे मैं करता हूँ, जो मैं पहले इंटरेक्ट करता था वैसे ही अभी भी करता हूँ। नॉट दैट लाइफ हैज़ कम्प्लीटली चेंज या मैं इतना बड़ा कुछ ऐसा कुछ हो गया। हर फ्राइडे चेंज होती है एंड मतलब थैंकफुली मेरे मम्मी पापा मेरे को आज भी डांटते हैं, चिल्लाते हैं, मार भी देते हैं कि अगला फ्राइडे बता देगा भाई, रुक जा। तो सो वो चीज़ मेरे दिमाग में कभी नहीं आने वाली कि उस सेंस में कि आई विल बी थिंकिंग अबाउट कि इस वजह से मैं लोगों से दूर रहूँगा, यार मैं बन गया हूँ, तो वो वाला जोन मेरा नहीं है।
Dinesh, I have a question for you. Dinesh, I have a question for you. You are someone who always talks about content and someone who's given a lot of importance to the content films that you make, and obviously you're here because of the films that you made. So when it comes to it, there's always a discussion while the actors, the directors and the producers in terms of remuneration to get their credit. But writers somewhere are always been left behind. There was obviously a controversy between you and your good friends Raj and DK that also happened in terms of due credit, in terms of remuneration or something else. What do you feel? Isn't it high time? Because the writers are in the end the star of it. If they don't give you the content, how?
So what I believe is that I have worked with a lot of writers, and there's Rohan here, there are 6 other films that are being made, and I actually believe that writers define films. So I honestly believe, and I'm quite confident, that Maddock is one of the highest payers to actors, to writers, and that's something I believe in. I believe without writers, there will be, I feel a writer is as important as a director. Obviously, the manner that you're discussing, sometimes when there's a huge success, there are misunderstandings and there are people who come in and sort it out. But 95% of the time, in 14 films that I've made, there's never been a situation where I've had any hassle with anybody. So sometimes it happens that I also believe when time passes, the truth always comes out. So I would rather not talk about the matter, but let time say what was the fact. Yeah.
Thank you so much. और जहाँ तक मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग की बात है, आप लोग को अंडरस्टैंड करना पड़ेगा कि इस पिक्चर का कौन सा फ्लेवर आप लोग आगे लेके जाएंगे। जोरदार तालियां for Lukas Shetty, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for being so wonderful. Sorry to cut you guys.
हाँ सर, कोई डिफरेंस नहीं बना है, मतलब वो 100 करोड़ मेरी जेब में नहीं आया। सर मैं तो सोचता हूँ सर डीनो से पूछिए कितनी 100 करोड़ देते जा रहे हैं, मैं तो एक ही हुई है।
फरारी पे फरारी आ रही है।
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.